In 2023, AI analyzed and detected a tumor in a mammogram which 3 radiologists missed. The patient got treatment 6 months earlier than what she would have got otherwise. That's not a futuristic scenario. This has already happened 3 years ago. Today, I want to walk you over about how AI is detecting cancer consistently in a precise manner than what it was doing earlier. We are going to look at the science, the tools, and the real work what is happening behind AI in healthcare. For most cancers, the difference between stage 1 and stage 4 detection is the difference between 90% survival rate and 20% survival rate. Early detection saves lives. The challenge has always been that reading medical images, X-rays, MRIs, CT scan, pathology slides is an incredibly difficult task, even for the best radiologist. Humans get tired. Humans miss things. Not because they are bad doctors, but because they are human. This is where AI changes the equation. AI systems for medical imaging are trained on millions of labeled scans. Images where experts have already identified what's normal and what's not. The AI learns the visual pattern associated with tumors, license, and anomalies. Google's DeepMind developed an AI for breast cancer screening that outperformed radiologists, reducing false positive by 5.7% and false negatives by 9.4% in a landmark study published in Nature. Path AI analyzes pathology slides to detect cancer at cellular level. The key is that AI doesn't get tired. It applies the same attention to scan number 1 and the scan number 10,000. Trust me, it gets even more impressive. Companies like GRAI and Guardian Healthcare are developing AI-powered liquid biopsies, blood tests that can detect cancer DNA in your bloodstreams before even any tumor is large enough to be seen on a scan. GRAI's Gallier test can detect over 50 types of cancer from one single blood drawn. The FDA themselves have cleared many of these AI diagnostic tools. They are entering clinical practice right now. Let me tell you honestly, AI is not infallible. It can produce wrong results. It can perform differently for different patients, different geographies, and different population. Let me remind you this once again. AI is a tool which is not here to replace doctors, but to assist them. The best outcome would come from AI and clinicians working together. We are living in a genuinely historic moment for medicine. AI is already saving lives through earlier, more accurate cancer detection. And we are just getting started. If you are in healthcare, pay attention to these tools. If you are a patient, then know this, that AI is an integral part of many diagnostic centers and leaders today. Like and subscribe if you found this video valuable. Next video is all about AI in drug discovery. How algorithms are designing medicines and drugs 100 times faster than the traditional methods.